like that. And you can definitely tell that's locked in there, it ain't going nowhere. And that's all fine and dandy. That sounds good, right? Well, here's the issue I found with the this other one here. This is actually just the smaller one. This is the 5/16 one. Goes to the return line, which is this one right here. And if you're just sliding it on, you know, like I said in the other one, you go ahead, slide it on. Say, oh yeah, it looks good. Oh, but it doesn't. It ain't working. Try it again here. Oh, it ain't working. What's going on here? So you thought you had it on there, but not really. I mean, this is the return line, so it's not under pressure a lot. But if you had it on the main, you know, line, it definitely would blow right off there. It'd probably blow off even here, even though there's not a lot of pressure there. Eventually, it could just fall off. You'd have gas running out right there. But this is a problem I found with this one. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's actually plastic still inside here. And it's supposed to be open like this. So the manufacturer, which is Russell in this case, or Edelbrock, whatever way you want to go, because Edelbrock owns Russell, they didn't break the molded plastic here is still stuck in here. So it's not letting this clip all the way down past here. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's not letting it go past there because there's still plastic there. It's not letting it snap down in. I mean, you can go ahead and fix this pretty easy just by removing that plastic there. Make sure it's all the way out of there. This is probably not the right tool for this, but let's see, it's still on there. Now, let's try it like that, even though it should be a little better than that. See, it still doesn't really quite seal all the way down on there. It's on there, but there's actually some plastic still left on there. Let me get a tool here. The other option would be just go get different plastic clips, but this is definitely an issue here. See, it's definitely still got some there. Looks good there. Okay, now you can see now it's all open there. There's a little up top here that we could take off. But this is really just a oversight from the manufacturer, because honestly this should have been taken care of. This simple little plastic here could have, cause a major issue because it's not seating all the way. Let's try it now. See, now it seats on there perfect, like it's supposed to on both sides. See, now it went all the way on. It ain't coming off now. So yeah, that fixes the issue there. This is I don't know if I'm gonna have a talk with Russell on that. I'm gonna call them and see if they understand they got an issue there. But this was the part number. That was a 3/8 one. This is the one I actually had the problem with. This is the 5/16, so it's the A end of 5/16. And that's the part number 640863. Push on. EFI fitting 6AN to 5/16. So that's an issue there. I just wanted to go over it with you. Show there's an issue there with not removing the plastic all, and I'll also show you the correct way to seat these so you don't have issues with them popping off, because that's definitely a could be a fire hazard, and nobody wants their car burning down because of some stupid plastic little fitting, especially as much money as we put into these vehicles. We don't want something burning to the ground. So, like I said, okay, that's about it for the video here. If you have any questions, give me a holler, and I'll see if I can respond to them.